Let's go on to learn about Boolean, lists, and dictionaries. So, in terms of Boolean, these are variables that can only take two values, either a true or false. So you can always initialize it with like x equals to true and check the type. So instead of using the PowerPoint slides, let's take a look at our Jupyter notebook. So if we place the value of true into a variable x, and you will naturally see that when we use type, it will actually show BOL, which refers to Boolean. An interesting thing about Boolean is that using certain operators, Boolean values can be used to tell you whether that particular section or line is true or false. So for example, if we use this common assignment y equals to 3, we know that the value 3 is stored inside y. But in this line, it gets a little bit more confusing. But not to worry, we always just read from left to right. So previously y equals to 3, we see that there's also a x equals. So x is just taking or being assigned a value by whatever we see on the right hand side. And on the right hand side, we are asking the compiler, is y more than 10? If y is more than 10, then print or assign the value true to x. So in this case, we know that 3 is definitely not more than 10. Therefore, this statement is false. So if we do that, we see that is false. But the moment we try changing y to 12, we see that it becomes true. It doesn't need to be a variable here. You can also put 5. We see that it's false because 5 is less than 10. But if we use 12 or 15, then the value true is stored inside x. So that brings us to the end of the lesson on Boolean. Proceed to the next video where we will explore list. Thank you.